KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. If your car breaks down, you know to call. If your car breaks down, you know to call. Call 34738598080. Let's go. Yeah, good afternoon, viewer. KG Auto. Please don't critique my hat. This is a little Mexican hat. Today, beach hat, whatever you might call it. Because in New York is a little bit very, very hot. So today I'm going to show you what you need to take off to do a blower motor. This vehicle is a 2014. It's a Nissan Rogue. So on 2008 to 2013, the blower motor is on the driver's side, right underneath the pedal. That's where it is. But from 2014 upwards, thanks to Nissan, they move it down to the right hand side. As you can see, this place is empty already. So I'm going to show you what I did to get to where I am, So if you want to find how to diagnose to get to see if the blower motor is bad or the fuse, check out my other videos. I think I did a 2015 Nissan NV200. Yeah, so I showed everything, how to go through that process, diagnosing and confirming that the blower motor is bad. But in this case, I have another job to get to, but I'm just going to show you how to replace the blower motor. So as you can see this guy right here. Actually, you can get to the blower motor right from underneath. You can disconnect it, you can take it, you can disconnect it, but it's not going to come out. The reason why this guy has to come out is because the blower motor, when you pull it out, is sitting on this guy. See this guy right here? So this guy is going to be a bigger problem even while you're trying to take it out. So this guy is held by a couple of screws. I'm going to show you. 1, 2, 3. Then you come here, 4, 5. That's it. Just 5 screws. That's what is holding this guy. Right? Just like so. Then we put that one aside. Then this guy right here is coming. Please follow my explanation. This guy right here is coming like so. So there's a screw here that goes on here. Everything you're going to be working with is just a flathead screwdriver and some little plastic pry. That one go right here. You pop that out. You pop that out before you can get to this one. So once that one comes out, then there's this other one right here. It's coming right here like so. So everything is pulled. See? Just like so. You pull this one out. Just be mindful so you don't break anything. Then this one is coming underneath here. You pry that one also. Then this one right here. So obviously it's this one you have to get to before you start doing any job. So it's this one right here you have to get to. You empty out the whole thing. There's something here you pull out. There's a screw there. Then you just pull this one out. You yank it out. You put it aside. Then there's this guy coming right here, just like so. So everything is just yank. Okay, so let me bring the camera in. I'm going to show you. After you have done all of that, don't pull out nothing yet, or else you're going to get in trouble. So let me bring the camera and show you what else I did. Sorry about my hand blocking the camera. Okay, so you will come right here. See this one right here? This one is just pop. So there's no screw holding this. You just pop it out. Just a couple of clips right there. Right here. One right here. One right here. One right here. One right here. It's 4 clips. You pop that out. So you have to lose this guy right here. There's a screw that goes in here. I lose that. I lose that. I lose that. The reason for that, because this thing right here that I put, this guy is sitting on it. So once you lose all of that, you just lift this up. You don't have to take everything out completely. Then you can be able to start popping that guy out. And once you pop it, everything will come out. So now, like I said before, So I was trying to go underneath, right, just to play devil's advocate, to see if I can be able to take out the blower motor without pulling all those guys. I did, I succeeded, but when I get down here, I get stuck because that something was too long. It was blocking the blower motor not to come out. So that was where I couldn't move past there. So I have to take it out completely, and this is the blower motor, as you can see. All right, so you have just one connection plug there. Then you have a little, like just a little star something going there to lose that out, you know. That's it. So we're gonna bring the new one and see, make sure that they're the same, and we'll take it from there. KG, this is the new one. He bought it from Arch, made in China. Everything is made in China now. Original is not made in China.
Original not made in China.
So that's the part number anyway. BM10001-9C. So we're gonna take it out, emboss it, make sure they're the same. Please, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, support your boy in any way you can. Obviously the one he bought now, I don't know. Is it the same thing? This one looks, the wire is different. Let's see. Maybe it will work. Okay, so it's going right here. It's the same thing, but it's just the wire is different. Okay, it's like this. It's like this. So the connector is a little bit different, but I believe it will work. So I'll try to snap that in first, just to see once it goes in, because it's the same connector. It's just this one is built inside here. You see, that's why original, anything China. You know, so that's what it is. So I'm gonna go back in there. It's the same size, just to make sure that connector fit in here. Once it fit in, then we know we'll be good. So I'll bring you guys back in a minute just to confirm that connector fits. Stay tuned, KG. So like I promised, I was gonna bring the camera around. The something fits. Like I said before, it was just the wire, as you can see. See, it fits. It's just that wire right there. See, the connector, so it fits. So we just have to put that screw there, and we'll start putting everything back. So sure, in case you buy the one that has that kind of long connector, don't worry about it. It will fit, okay? It will fit. There's no problem. It will fit. So everything looks good there. So let me go ahead and start putting things back, KG. So when you look in here, right, see there's a little screw that goes in here. I just want to make sure I get that for you. Please bear with me. You see right there? That white screw right there. See? That little screw that goes on that blower. Sure, in case you're losing yours, make sure you cut that screw. Don't start yanking it out now. Let me make sure I got it. See? Right there. That screw right there. So make sure you take it out. When you unscrewing it, that's what I mean. So everything looks good. So there's a screw here, right? Like I was saying before, see that screw right there? There's a screw there that you need to take out. The reason why, so you can, when you take it out, you can pry this up, then this will come out. Then you take off this screw, take off this. You don't have to really remove this completely, like I said before. Once you do all of that, now you cannot put this guy back again. This one doesn't have no screw. It's just clips. See, just like that. You just make sure it line up. Then you push it in, just like that. See, that one you don't have no screws, right? So now we can come now and put this guy back here, just like so. That's why KG need a cameraman. If you would like to volunteer, please contact KG. We appreciate that. So this one comes right here, just like so. Everything is just basically clips, like so. See, just push it in. Just make sure it lined up. So just like so. So then we'll bring this one right now. Put this one right there, just like so. And this one line up at the back here. Once it goes inside where it's supposed to go, because it has like a little thing that goes in there once it goes inside it. So once you do all of that, you just start putting things back like I showed you earlier on before. This is screws. Put that guy back. This one you put this back. There's a screw that is coming right there. Then we're gonna come underneath here and put those screws there. Okay? So there was this something that I pull out of here. You just have to move this like this and put it out. So put all those screws back. Even right now we can start it just to make sure the motor is working. The blower motor is working. So anyway, let me go ahead and put those screws there right now and start to put this back. KG, stay tuned. All right, so that's pretty much on this car. Everything is working now. I know the owner is going to be happy. Air condition cooling off. Beautiful. So like I said before, if you need to diagnose, check out my other video, MV200. But this one was just how to show it. Take off this, take off that. You know, it's not that of a bigger job to do. Anybody can do this. Even my grandma. But make sure you eat African food first. But anyway, I'll see you on my next episode. Love you all. KG signing out. Peace. Booyah. We are gone. Hasta la vista, baby.